making video for quite some time. Uh, so I received some comments from one of the video saying that my content helped them a lot. So I decided that I should continue to share what I have learned. Okay. So today the topics that I want to share is very quick. It's about whether should you buy your stocks from Taobao. Okay. Last time, during my time 2004, 2005, um, Taobao items was very cheap. Okay. But right now, to me, if you really do enough research, you can see that um, price for the price uh, in Taobao is not as cheap as what you can find, and I think it's almost comparable um, to the marketplace in Qoo10 Lazada. Okay, this is one of the example. Okay, I can just show you. Okay, and we go to one of these. We always sort based on orders. Sell length is the orders. Okay, do research. So I will only find the one that has the most seller. Okay, as you can see, I just choose any one. Okay, it's a 2 meter. Okay, 2 meter at $3.36. Okay, USD. Right. And if you compare this price to one of uh, the cable, okay, the iPhone charging cable, and it's magnetic some more, magnetic cable micro. Okay, how much does it cost? It's only $3.41, and that include shipping. Right, that include shipping. And for this, okay, it still have not included the shipping fee yet. So what does this tell you? Actually, Taobao is no longer a visible place for you to purchase and bulk purchase and sell it to Singapore. Okay? But the price is no longer cheap. The reason behind all this is that most of the small store has already been taken over by Tmall. Okay, Tmall. Tmall they have a uh, higher fee, higher maintenance fee. Okay, so they can't sell as cheap as a normal Taobao store anymore. Okay, so in fact, there are not only other aspects you can look for your stocks. Okay, which uh, you have an easier way of making payment and also delivery. Okay. There are also places like AliExpress. Okay, the AliExpress price. Okay, AliExpress price is way cheaper right now. Okay, if you decided to buy a bulk purchase, look at the price. Right? But the downside of AliExpress is that um, you need to buy in bulk. Okay? But there are some that you see there's a moment you only need to purchase a minimum of 2 pieces, right? So why not, right? And in fact, making payment through Alibaba is easy. Okay, they can accept credit card and they will be able to ship worldwide. Just that the shipping fee will be slightly expensive. So I would not recommend if you just want to buy a few pieces to try it out. If you want to buy, you should at least buy 100 pieces or depending on the type of product you want to buy. Right? Okay? You can see that the shipping fee, okay, is not as cheap because it's mostly air freight. Okay? They don't go by sea freight. So if you select Singapore, like Singapore, okay, so it's range from $15. You can issue within 4 to 7 days. Right. Imagine if you buy more, okay, if you, let's say you buy 100 pieces, the shipping fee is only double of what you have to pay for 2 pieces. So you can see the very nice difference. So like I said, if you want to buy for Alibaba, you should buy greater stocks. And I'm going to introduce one more, okay, just one more website, okay, you can go for. It's the 1688.com. Okay. in this website, you can really find the cheapest. Okay, the price here is dirt cheap. Right? Okay, dirt cheap. Look at this. Okay, look at this. For this, the price is only how much? Less than a dollar, Sing dollar. Right? $2.90 RMB. If you divide by 5, it's about 60 cents. Right? So if you want to buy the cheapest stock, okay, stock up, you have to go to 168. Okay. But the downside of 168, okay, yeah, is that there will be a shipping issue as well as payment issue. Because for payment wise, you have to pay via Alipay. You don't accept prepaid payment. So this will be some issues. And second, you need to find a freight forwarder that can help you to ship from China to Singapore. Okay. But if you can find these two, okay, uh, purchasing from 168 is definitely the number one option that you should go for if you want to stock up goods. Right? I don't think a lot of people will share this because it's so-called a trade secret. Right? They will always tell you, oh, go Taobao and purchase. But I, I will ask you again this question. Do you think that Taobao is really worth uh, buying and then selling back to the local market based on what I have shared with you? Right. So this is the thing that I want to share with you. So I hope it benefit you all. Um, if you need any information on what type of freight forwarders that you can use, okay, you probably can drop me an email or I see how I can help you guys. Right. Just thanks. See you in the next video.